Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to create a game using ChatGPT. So this is the game you're going to create. It's going to be a very basic tic-tac-toe game where users can play and end up with a winner, and then there's a button called reset where you can reset the game to start from beginning. So we're going to learn how to create this game using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Head over to your Google Play Store and search for Treb Edit on your Play Store or App Store. And you can install it from here. Search for ChatGPT, and if you haven't installed it, you can install it from here. Head over to Treb Edit. Now click on menu, click on workspace. Then from here, we're going to create a new project. Now click on this plus, then click on new project. Now we're going to name it anything. So I'm going to name it tic-tac-toe game. Then click on save. Now click on it. Now we are going to create 3 separate files. So one is going to be HTML, one is going to be CSS, and one is going to be JavaScript. So those are the 3 programming languages we are going to use to create our game. So the next thing is to click on this plus sign, then click on new file. Then we're going to name it index.html. So make sure you name it index.html and click on save. But make sure that it ends with .html. It's very important. Then click on this plus icon again, click on new file. Then we're going to name it style.css. So this too is going to help us style it, that is making it beautiful. Then click on save. Then create a new file also, and then we're going to name it script.js. So this is going to be the JavaScript file. Then click on save. Alright, now we are ready. Now go back, and now we're going to head over to ChatGPT. Alright, now we're going to start a new conversation with ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste in my prompts that I've already created. You can copy my prompt as well. It's very simple. Please create a basic tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in separate files. Then just send it, and it's going to start creating our code. So we have no coding knowledge, but yet we are going to create a game. So scroll down, and it's done. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is to copy these codes and paste them one by one. So we're going to copy this HTML code firstly. Alright, so copy this code, just hold it, then click on select text. So we're going to copy them one by one. Now let's copy the HTML first. So from this to this, make sure you don't remove your hand, and then click on copy. Now click on this index.html file, and then paste in that code here. Alright, now let's go back. Now let's go to ChatGPT, scroll down, and let's copy this CSS code just the way we did for HTML. Start with where it says body, scroll down to this closing tag, and then click on copy. Then go back to Treb Edit, click on style.css, then paste in that code. Alright, now let's go back and we're going to do the same for the JavaScript. Alright, now our code is complete. Now go back and we're going to head over to index.html. Now view it. Alright guys, now we have our game, so let's check if it works. Alright, player X, then player O, then player X, then player O, and then player X. And it has a pop-up saying player X wins. So wow, this game is working perfectly and fine, just the way we wanted it. I'm also going to drop a link in the description where you can download this whole code. Alright, so click on OK, and now to reset the game, let's say you want to start from beginning. To reset the game, just click on reset and it will reset the game. So this is how you can create a basic game using ChatGPT. Now you can't just stop here, you can try and create other games, but make sure it's simple and not too complex so that you won't confuse yourself along the way. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.